How to play for on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So for is an asymmetrical horror game on Roblox, reminiscent of Dead by Daylight, where players assume the roles of either survivors or killers. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started. So how to play for First of all, you need to go ahead and join the game. Search for 4 on Roblox and ensure that it's the official game developed. Now click on play to join a match. And the objective of this game is to prepare generators to power up the exit gates and escape. The key actions are you need to repair the generators, locate and fix generators scattered across the map, use shield and agility to stay out of the killer's reach, and you have to also help the fellow survivors who have been captured, and you need to collect and use items like medikits or tools to aid in survival. You also need to eliminate all survivors before they can escape. So track and chase down survivors using your abilities and hunt them. Each killer has unique powers to trap or hinder the survivors. Patrol generators and exit gates to prevent repairs and escapes. And if you're a beginner, manage stamina. Avoid depleting your stamina completely. It takes longer to recover from zero. So also familiarize yourself with the generator and exit locations and understand each character's abilities and use them strategically. Communicate if possible, coordinate with the teammates for efficient gameplay. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.